The power of thoughts. If you change your thoughts, you change your life. This is a simple but amazing concept. It means that the way you think has the power to change everything around you. Here is how it works. Number 1. Your mind is powerful. First, let's think about your mind. Your mind is like a garden. In a garden, you plant seeds. The seeds you plant will grow into something beautiful, or maybe something you don't want, like weeds. The same is true for your thoughts. If you think positive thoughts, like, I can do this, or I'm strong, those thoughts will help you grow into a stronger and more positive person. But if you focus on negative thoughts, like, I can't do this, or I'm not good enough, those thoughts will make you feel stuck. You will start to believe that you can't change your life. But remember, your mind is your garden. You can choose which thoughts to plant and which ones to remove. Number 2. Thoughts create actions. If you think positive thoughts, you will feel more confident and motivated. You will want to take action to improve your life. Maybe you'll start a new project, try something new, or learn a new skill. These actions will bring you closer to your goals. But if you focus on negative thoughts, you might feel afraid or unsure. You may not take any action at all. Instead, you might stay in the same place, feeling stuck. Your thoughts lead to your actions, and your actions, over time, shape your life. Number 3. Change your thoughts, change your actions. So, how do you change your life? Start by changing your thoughts. If you catch yourself thinking something negative, stop and ask yourself, is this helping me? If the answer is no, choose a different thought. Maybe think, I can try again, or I will learn from this. These small changes in your thoughts can lead to big changes in your actions. If you keep practicing this, you'll start to see new results in your life. Maybe you'll be more successful at work, or you'll feel happier in your relationships. Maybe you'll take better care of yourself, or start doing things you've always wanted to do. Number 4. Keep going, even when it's hard. Changing your thoughts is not always easy. Sometimes life can be difficult. We all face challenges. But remember, the way you think during tough times is very important. If you think, this is hard, but I can do it, you will feel stronger. You will look for solutions instead of giving up. Keep practicing. Little by little, your life will improve. You will become the person you want to be. Number 5. Believe in yourself. Finally, always remember to believe in yourself. You have the power to change your thoughts and your life. Believe that you are capable. Believe that you can overcome challenges. And most of all, believe that your thoughts can lead you to a better future. Your thoughts are very powerful, so you must take control of your thoughts. Choose positive thoughts. Choose thoughts that help you grow and make your life better. And remember, if you change your thoughts, you will change your life. It might take time, but with practice, you can do it.